All the information shared in this video is available on the public platform. Nothing is discussed here which may breach the confidentiality of our armed forces. Defense Detective respects our defense forces and works only on the information that is available for public use.
Bilateral trade between India and Russia went past the $66 billion mark in 2024 and is expected to touch $100 billion in the coming years. Cargo volumes between India and Russia through the International North-South Transport Corridor, INSTC, have increased by 1.7% following a 56% drop in the transportation cost via the route, a Russian official has said. The positive trade dynamics are driven by India's ambition to increase exports to Russia via the INSTC. Additionally, a cost reduction of more than 56% for transportation services on this route has led to a 1.7-fold increase in cargo volumes. Dmitry Kryukov, the Deputy General Director for Multimodal Service at JSC Azadi Logistics, told Sputnik India. In 2024, trade turnover between Russia and India through the INSTC demonstrated positive growth, he added. Many categories of cargo were transported along this route for the first time. For example, in May 2024, a full train of Agro Express was dispatched from the southern Urals to India. A total of 31 20-foot containers carrying oat flakes and grains were shipped to Mundra port, Kryukov revealed. Imports to Russia, building materials, clothing and footwear, rice, plastics, confectionery products, spices, and food concentrates. Exports to India, pulp and paper products, lumber, hygiene products, furniture, roofing materials, and food products. Regarding trade flows specifically with the Republic of India, the predominant export categories are paper products, metals, and food products, while the main imported goods include construction materials, reinforcement bars, pyrolysis oil, and ferrous metal products, the logistics firm's Deputy Director General highlighted. Kryukov thinks that the growth prospects for trade between Russia and India via the North-South Corridor in 2025 look promising. After all, in 2024, the total bilateral trade volume reached $66 billion, and both countries aim to increase this figure to $100 billion by 2030. To achieve these goals, it is crucial to ensure the smooth organization of rail and multimodal container transportation between Europe, Asia, and the Middle East, where the INSTC plays a key role. The RZD Holding and RZD Logistics are making significant efforts in this direction, as evidenced by growing transportation volumes and reduced delivery times, he asserted. Infrastructure development, construction of missing railway segments, such as Rashtrastara, and elimination of bottlenecks in port infrastructure. Simplification of procedures, optimization of customs and phytosanitary controls, as well as the implementation of seamless digital document exchange. Financial challenges, overcoming sanctions-related pressure and complications in international settlements. Market awareness, increasing awareness among potential cargo shippers about the capabilities and services of the North-South Corridor.